The Mi Band 3, everyone's favorite budget fitness tracker, just got an upgrade. And boy is it a big one. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and in today's video we are gonna unbox the new Mi Band 3 and take a look at what's changed. But before we begin, here's a card to a giveaway, monthly one. There's also a link in the description below. Click on the bell icon while you're down there to become a part of the C4E notification squad. The Mi Band 3 comes in this tiny little cardboard box with a transparent top. To the back, we have some stuff written in Chinese, and of course, I have no idea what it says because I don't read Chinese. Anyway, let's peel the tape off and pull the plastic tab open. First thing inside is the tracker. Turning it around, you can see the heart rate monitor to the back of the device. Let's now take it out of the cardboard piece and take a closer look at it. In hand, it feels pretty light. Let's now peel the protective sticker off. We then have the wrist strap. Putting the module into the band fits nice and snug. Let's keep it aside. We then have a USB charging cradle and some documentation. So at first glance, you might feel like not a lot has changed. After all, the design philosophy has remained similar. The capsule this time though is slightly taller and wider, but other than that, they look quite similar, right? They even have the same touch sensitive button just beneath the display. So where are the upgrades I was talking about? Right here. Yep, the OLED screen on the Mi Band 3 is now bigger. It's 0.78 inches, and more importantly, it is touch sensitive, so you can swipe on it to view detailed information about your activities and a whole lot more. Another thing that has received an upgrade is the water resistance. The Mi Band 2 had an IP67 certification, but with the Mi Band 3, you can go swimming with it up to a depth of 50 meters. This means you can keep your Mi Band on your wrist all the time, even when you might want to say take a quick dip in a pool or hop in the shower. And now you can do all that without worrying that your Mi Band will pop right off and get lost. This was one of the complaints we had with the previous generation Mi Band. It was just too easy to pop off from the strap. Now Xiaomi has included this ridge that goes through the entire length of the module. It is a much more secure fit. Yes, getting it out is a mini workout in itself, but then it is worth the hassle for the peace of mind of not having to worry about it popping out. Now Xiaomi has included a 110 mAh battery here, which is up from 70 mAh on the Mi Band 2. Now thanks to this, even with a larger display, Xiaomi says the standby time will remain the same at 20 days. In the past, we found Mi Bands always hold up to Xiaomi's claims, or at sometimes even outperform Xiaomi's quoted battery life. So I'm sure the battery life shouldn't be a problem on this one. Okay, now enough about the hardware. Let's get down to what the Mi Band 3 can do. We'll swipe up from the default clock phase and you get to see your steps. Swipe to the side to see more like distance walked, calories burnt, and that sort of thing. Swipe down and you get to see the weather information. That's a nice little addition. Of course, you have the heart rate sensor. Long press on that capacitive button, wait a couple of seconds, and done. You can now see your heart rate right on the display itself. You also have the notification screen, and then there is more. There are a couple of really nifty features that I liked. Number one, it's simple. It's the stopwatch. It's just a basic stopwatch, but having it on your wrist is so much easier than having to pull out your phone every time you need it. Number two, we'll swipe some more to the right and there you go, clock faces. You can choose between a few styles and fonts and pick one that suits you best. Now the customization option isn't just limited to the clock face. Like other years, you can pick up different colored bands for the Mi Band 3. Of course, the size difference means that even if you do own a Mi Band 2 or Mi Band HRX, you can't use those straps with this sensor. Now, that about does it for the Mi Band itself. But then again, the band is incomplete without the companion Mi Fit app. Not a lot has changed about the app from the last time, although we have a few more interesting options there this time. So tell you what, if you guys think we should do a detailed walkthrough of the Mi Band 3 with the app, then hit us in the comments below and we'll make it happen. So let's wrap this one up with pricing. The Mi Band 3 is available right now only in China. It's priced at about 169 yuan, which translates to 1,800 Indian rupees. For those living stateside, that's 25 US dollars and change. Now, considering that the Mi Band 2 came to India at 1,999, I don't see Xiaomi lowering their prices. So if and when it comes to India, I think it would still be priced at 1,999. But that's just my opinion. What do you think about the Mi Band 3? Are you guys interested in this new product from Xiaomi? Do you want to see a detailed overview of the software? Tell us all about it in the comments below. Also tell us the ideal price that you think. What would you like to see the Mi Band 3 launch at in India? Of course, if you know someone who is into fitness or wants to buy a fitness tracker, then share this video with them. If you hated it, well, you know what to do. But if you did like it, hit the thumbs up button, get subscribed to C4E Tech, and click on that bell icon to become part of our notification squad. And now, I must bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.